Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hello everybody, I'm Ty and I'm here with Yoga for You, and today I'm going to guide you through an evening, nighttime meditation. This meditation is ideal for letting go of your day and easing into a restful sleep. Headphones are recommended, ideal for this, as it drones out the rest of the world around you. When you're ready, go ahead and find a nice comfortable seated position or laying down if you're ready for that stage of the night. And let's go ahead and begin to close the eyes and sink into the body. So from here, let's just begin to breathe together. Gentle inhales, full exhales, perhaps even longer than the inhales. Find this rhythm and see if you can really bring your focus and attention to your nostrils and get this full sensation of the air coming in and leaving. The mind may wander as it struggles or works to let go of the day, but we can continue to ease this process by staying conscious and recognizing when that happens and gently bringing the awareness back to the breath. Begin to just fully surrender to this now moment. As you give yourself these next couple minutes, we can allow ourselves to release the day and give ourselves to the night. This process is most easily accompanied by the breath, so let's go ahead and bring that awareness back there together. As we sit deeper into this present moment awareness, I want to encourage you to find one thing you are grateful for that happened to or for you today. And let that charge you in this moment. Let it fill you with gratitude for the day as it passes us by. If you feel your mind wandering from that one event or experience, let's bring it back. Knowing that we are giving the body everything it needs in this moment. The mind, the spirit also. Nice full breaths. Work to feel the weight of shift your attention to noticing the weight of your body in this reality, in this moment. Wherever you are, however you are, finding comfort. Notice if you can observe the physical weight of your body. Feel yourself give that into whatever you are resting on. And observe that sensation of support. Now imagine roots coming out from this contact point and going down deep into the ground, diving deeper yet, deeper as the breath deepens. Allow those roots to find the center of the earth. And allow them to wrap around that core. And then they pull tight, perhaps, feeling a nice strong tug. Feeling that grounding. Feeling that support. Breathe into that space we are cultivating. And as you feel your body grow heavier and more supported with each breath, begin to surrender to the day and give yourself to the restful night that lays ahead. And from here, you're welcome to stay in this space as long as you feel called to. Maybe you're ready to simply turn off the device and drift away. If you do find yourself needing to move from this space, do so slowly. And know that this space is always available for you at any moment. All you have to do is come back.